Good morning friends, Preetpal here again and very nice. Took an early morning flight to Bangalore and checking into my hotel in Renaissance Bangalore. So I have checked in the junior suite. I was being offered the Renaissance suite, but then I have got myself downgraded for a very special reason. Come, I'll show you. We'll first look at the room and then the surprise of which entails in this room. You'll come to know why I have got myself downgraded. So my room number is 1908. So let's check in and see why this room is so special. Okay. So once we come in, these are all the closets. The regular, you have your locker, your iron board, the laundry stuff kept over here, some more closets over here to keep your luggage, and then we come in. Oh wow! So on the right hand side we have this big modern, very nice chic bathroom. If you can see, the bathtub is very spacious, and you have this bath soil. Every time I stay I actually use this. Very nice, to create a very sensational bath. The bathrobe over here is waiting for you. Very nice, very soft, and nice rain shower, and using Inara, so these are some very nice high-end bathroom amenities that they use. Look at this, you can open up this and it looks so beautiful overlooking the city. I think this is one of the best bathrooms that I have actually came across in all of the hotels that I have stayed. And then we walk into our room. You have a small cupboard over here, a small working desk, a nice table for the family to sit and probably have their dinner over here. Nice red color sofa, and a cozy bed with a television over there, so you can actually relax on the bed, and watch the TV. And now let's see the biggest surprise of this room. Yes! Come. Isn't this magical? Look at the size of this terrace. You are on the 19th floor, overlooking the Bangalore Race Club. It is just mesmerizing. I mean, imagine sitting over here in the evening, inviting your friends, opening up some drinks over here. I mean, this place becomes sensational, I mean, you just can't miss this. And believe me, I can trade this room for this balcony or this huge terrace for the Renaissance suite any given day. Especially with the Bangalore weather in the evening, this place becomes unbelievably magical. So, nice sofa, you have some couple of chairs, and I'm sure, this place would be really awesome. So come. So a final verdict on this room. As I said, the junior suite in this hotel, trust me, is even better than the Renaissance suite, which is one level higher. The bathroom is simply stunning. The view from the bathroom on the higher floor again, and this terrace, trust me, I don't think so there is any hotel in Bangalore where you'll get this kind of a massive terrace on such an height overlooking the racecourse. It's simply out of the world, guys. So please, when you're staying here, check into this room, which is called as the junior suite with the larger terrace, and enjoy your stay. Thank you.